Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a teleprompter to your videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you can see at the top section the prompter option. Click on it, and now you can see that there is this default text: "Hi, I'm CapCut Teleprompter and I can help you remember all your lines." So if you want to record a video but you do not want to make mistakes, in your speech, then you can do this teleprompter, and it means that it will not be shown on your videos. It just helps you to remember or read out loud the text that you want to tell in your videos. You can see that there is this option that you can move it around. There is the edit option. It means that you can type in a text, whatever you would like to say. You can see how many characters or words. Let's see if it refers to words. No, it refers to characters, so 5,000 characters. And you can see the last option is the speed, sorry. So it can be slow and fast. So here you can select the right speed for you, and the font size and the color as well. So that's it. And let's see if I record the video, let's say one shot, and you just have to click the button in the middle. 3, 2, 1, go. "Hi, I'm CapCut Teleprompter, I can help you remember," and so on. Okay. "Hi, I'm CapCut Teleprompter, I can help you remember," and so on. You could see that it does not show on the video. It's just for you to help you remember or read out loud your text. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.